bit greasy, and it wasn't until I grabbed this and realised there was a huge hole in the back of it. And you can actually feel it now, but you had to put your finger right around the back to be able to do it. Yeah, so I'm going to replace that part. And it's the oil breather cap, as you can see. Not the oil breather cap, it's your oil breather. It comes off your oil cap and goes to your airbox. Not the airbox pipe. So yeah, so that is not helping things. This airbox is probably gunked up, and like it's attaching to your throttle body, so that is also letting oil into your air. And it's an easy fix, 2 clips, one there, one there. Me again. So I went to Volkswagen actually to see if I could get that part. I looked online and I couldn't find anything apart from in England, which was, yeah, I wasn't going to do that. I thought about getting second hand, and then I thought, well, I'll probably end up with the same bloody problem. It'll perish and won't be any good. So I went to Volkswagen, and yeah, this is what I got. $84.70. I can tell you, I told them to stick it up their arse. Actually, that's just disgusting for a bit of plastic pipe. So I went back online and searched for about 10 minutes and finally found a mob called Run Autos here in Australia, and their price was $32 plus shipping. It might have been $32.95 plus shipping. With shipping, it come to $40.40 or thereabouts. I can't quite remember, but yeah, like, wow, half price, and it was shipped to my door. I didn't have to drive and get it. So yeah, we'll be putting that on. So the other day as well, Jordan and I changed the oil in here because I'm too fat to get underneath the car. And we cleaned the spark plugs because it is misfiring again. I knew it was going to happen, and it took a little while before it did. I put thicker oil in and it didn't make any difference. So, and it actually started misfiring pretty well straight away, which is rather bloody sad. It's sad because that means that the motor really, the only option is to pull it out. So I went to one of the auto stores and I found this. This stuff is my last hope. Otherwise I'm just going to have to put up with cleaning the plugs all the time. So it's an American company, Rislone or Rislone, something like that. Someone might be able to correct me on that. And it's for ring seals. Stops blue smoke, which I don't have. Seats worn pistons and rings, which I do have. Reduces oil burning. I'm not burning any oil. Oh, a little bit. So this is my last sort of hope. Otherwise, yeah, it's an expensive job to be able to do, and I'll probably just sell the car, which I don't want to do because I like it. I can't afford another one anyway. So yeah, we're going to give this a try, and what I'll do is when I change that part over, I'll put this in, I'll run the car for a day, and then I'll clean the plugs again. The plugs are a bit of a job because, yeah, they're not that easy to get at, especially number 3. Number 2 and number 3 are pretty hard to get at. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Let's see if this works. I don't think it will, but we'll give it a try. So I'll run the car and then I'll clean the plugs on it, see what happens. So, changed spark plugs. Took it for a drive, was running alright, and then just started again. So, going to have to delve into it more. Spark plugs weren't that bad actually, so I'm thinking it's something else. I'm not sure. Anyway, there's an update on Nora, and things that I bought to do this. Could do it because of a very generous donation from Jamie, who put some money in my tip jar. Thanks, mate. I do really appreciate that. And there's more to come from with your money, mate. Yeah, you'll see that eventually. So yeah, all right. Hooroo.